Have you ever played those cooking games, where you're making burgers, desserts, drinks for customers? What if I told you, AI can now generate all those game assets for you? This AI platform is incredibly powerful for generating 3D models. You just upload an image, and it turns into a 3D model. And in this demo, I'm using batch mode, which means you can upload multiple images at once, and generate a whole set of assets in seconds. But here's the really interesting part. With the texture feature, you can take one base model and completely change how it looks. So for a cooking game, this means you can create different flavors of the same food, just by changing textures. For example, with this dorayaki model, I can turn it into original, matcha, chocolate, strawberry, even Oreo. Same model, but endless variations. This makes it easy to build your own kitchen world. For example, you can design your own dessert shop game. Right now, we are offering 1,300 free credits when you sign up. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll be sharing more AI tools and workflows like this.